Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you free seed that you can claim in Garden game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. During the last admin abuse in Garden, Jandal said that he will give us a free seed. For everyone who participated in the Easter update, they will get a new free seed. And I'm going to go to my inventory and I'm going to show you the seed that we get for free. The seed is called the Snapdragon seed. Okay, this one, Sugar Snapdragon seed, and this is free, guys. If you already joined the Easter update in Garden, you will be able to get the seed for free. So don't miss it. You can check it in your inventory. As long as you participate in the Easter update, I believe that you will get this free seed. Okay guys, and that's all about the free Sugar Snapdragon seed and Garden game of Roblox latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.